Very good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at your homes. Nowadays, we are doing GK revision, and in the last class, I'll give you 3 chapters to prepare for this revision test. I hope you all have prepared this. I'm very happy that you all are performing very nicely in the test. You are taking interest in the revision test, which is a good thing. It means you are learning at your homes. So, some important things which I need to discuss with you all through this video. First thing is you have to complete all the questions on time, means before till 9:30 you have to submit your test paper, because after that I'll post the answer sheet, and if you submit it late it is of no use. Next thing is in match the column, if I'll give questions like match the column, some of you have doing it like writing only one column, which is not the proper way to do that question. You have to write both the columns with the correct option in front of them. This is the second important thing. And except question answers, you have to write full sentence of each question in your test paper, and this way of writing you have to follow in your exams also. Like this is your class test or revision test is going, but the pattern I told you in this video you have to follow in your exams also. Now in this video I'll discuss the question paper, and after discussing the question paper I'll post the question paper in the group, so that you can easily do the question in your copies from the group by watching the videos also, or from taking the pictures from the group also, and then submit the answer sheet. So let's start discussing the question paper. Student, here is your GK test paper. It is divided into 3 sections, as you can see over here, A, B and C. So in A section you have to answer the following questions. In B you have to write the answers in one word, and in C match the following. Let's read it and try to understand this question paper. In A section you have to answer the following questions. So student, there is no need to write the question, just write the answer, but the serial number should be correct. In B section you have to write the answer with full sentence, not only answer, just write it with full sentence. And in C also you have to write both the columns with the correct match. So let's read the first question. In which year Raj Kapoor got the Dada Saheb Phalke award? You have to write the year, or mention the year in that particular year in which Raj Kapoor got this award, that is Dada Saheb Phalke award. I hope you all remember this chapter, as Dada Saheb Phalke award is given for the outstanding contribution in the Indian cinema. So I hope you remember and can give the right answer. Now, which country is famous for the bullet train? You have to write the name of the country which is basically famous for the bullet train. Now, who is the first winner of Dada Saheb Phalke award in Indian film industry? Again, this question is from that chapter. You have to write the name of the person who got first, or who is the first person who got this award, that is Dada Saheb Phalke award. Okay. Now the B section is name the following. The first rail service between Adelaide and Darwin. You have to write the name of the first rail service which runs between Adelaide and Darwin. We have studied the chapter which particular chapter is totally on the trains. So I hope you remember the answer. Now name the French train launched in 1981. I have discussed this train in detail while explaining the chapter. The world most luxurious train. Write the name which is the world most luxurious train, means all facilities or maximum number of facilities are provided in this train. That's why it is called most luxurious train. Now name the train which do not run on the track but float on it. One more important thing which we have discussed while explaining the chapter, that a train which do not runs on the train, means generally the trains or we see or we have heard about the train, generally they runs on the track, but this train do not runs on the track, it generally float on the track. Now another question is, the super fast train runs through the Channel Tunnel. The basic importance or special thing about this train is that it runs through Channel Tunnel. So you have to write the name of this train. Now again, the match the following, you have to match the correct option with each one of them. So try to write in front of each the correct option. No need to do crisscross, or you can do the numbering also, but you have to write both the columns. So I hope you all are able to solve this test paper. I hope that you will submit it on time. So all the best.